So what do you think, Link? Is inflation peaking? Is that what you're hoping for, or is that what you're expecting?
Yeah, well, it's good to see you, Tyler. I think macro is front and center at this point until we get earnings in a few weeks. So, yeah, it is inflation, it is the Fed, it is interest rates, it is potential recession or timing of when that could occur. CPI is very big this Friday. The number is 8.2%. If it's better than that, if it's cooler than that, then you will hear about the peak inflation talk. The problem is, Tyler, is you have inflation everywhere, right? And it's still very high and very elevated, and I think it's going to remain so. I mean, just last week alone, we got unit labor costs up 12.6% year over year. Wages from the non-farm payroll rose 5.2% year over year. The PCE price index rose 6.3% year over year. These are astounding kinds of numbers I've not seen in my lifetime. And so I think the Fed is going to have to go 50-50-50 in the next three meetings. I know September is debatable, but I just don't think I don't know why they would take the foot off the gas, given the inflation is everywhere. So do you think the inflation is peaking then, but it's going to take time for it to slow? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It could be peaking next couple of months or so, but I think it's just going to stay very high. Let's get to a couple of stocks you've got your eye on, and they seem to be, with one exception, which is in the chip area, what I would call safe plays. One is Campbell Soup. The other, it's getting safer than Campbell Soup, Contessa.
Well, I mean, nothing like a canned bowl of chicken and noodle.
Of chicken noodle or a little bit of clam chowder, whatever. Campbell Soup, Sherwin-Williams. Paint is safe. Paint is safe, and Advanced Micro Devices. Why these three? These are ones you've got your eyes on. Yeah, I do. There's not a lot of company news this week, but I do think these three will learn some things, and that's what's important here. Campbell Soup is not going to be market moving, and you said it's a safe haven. It's up 5.4% year to date. It yields 3.4%. It trades at 16 times for a staple stock that's actually cheap, believe it or not. They have been increasing pricing, and so what I want to learn is, have we seen demand destruction? They guided organic growth -1 to +1 for the year. So let's see if anything changes based on the pricing. And then I want to hear about consumer trade down, because we've heard that from a host of consumer companies over the last month and a half, that consumers are trading down and how they're handling that. Yeah. Sherwin-Williams, they're going to have an investor day, and they have housing exposure, right? So we want to hear about the housing market, any cooling down there. But also, the stock, if you recall, when they reported earnings, the stock rallied 12% in 2 days because people thought raw material inflation was actually starting to ease. I find that very hard to believe, but everybody got all jazzed up about it. Mm-hmm. But they have put price increases in, and costs are coming down, and that's good for operating profits. So let's hear what they have to say. And then finally, AMD, probably the most intriguing because it's down 34% from its highs, and it trades at 24 times earnings. They have an investor day, and I think they just at their last quarter, they raised guidance to 60% total revenue growth from 30%, and it trades at 24 times. So that kind of is interesting to me. The problem, Tyler, is that semiconductors, I think once the supply chains ease, you are going to hear about double and triple ordering, and that's going to be problematic.